Today I'm going to share with you how to be authentic on social media. Hi, this is Tim Queen, and if you're new to this channel, I'm talking about marketing strategies and tactics that really work. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn notification on so you get updates. Whenever you go on social media and you ask any expert, they will often tell you have to be authentic. Your brand has to be authentic if you want to promote yourself or your brand or your business. But the problem is that most people who talk about authenticity are full of crap. And they tell you something that your brand should be, which is not helping you in any way and is not true authenticity. So today I'm going to share with you what true authenticity really means and how you can incorporate this into your brand. True authenticity means that you are in alignment with your core values and you share your beliefs unfiltered, unbiased. You just say it how it is. You share, you communicate your core values, and you're not afraid of saying anything, of pissing anyone off. You're not worried about softening your message to appease everyone. You don't try to make everyone happy. You know whatever you share as your message has value. And if you share it and you piss some people off, you're completely okay with that. You don't have to please everyone. You're not for everyone. You are for a specific group of people, and those people you want to reach with your social media account. You don't try to be the sweet darling of everyone and then basically be nobody. So what a lot of people will tell you, what is not real authenticity, is that you have to be super nice, that you have to be overly pleasing to everyone, that you have to respect every opinion, you can't disagree with anyone. They will tell you that you have to make sure that you're friends with everyone, you should love everyone, and that's just not any true authenticity. Do you think for yourself? Do you have your own mind? Do you follow your own path? Or do you get sucked in everyone else's path and you just do what you're supposed to do and to say what you're supposed to say and to do what everyone else is doing? Or do you create your own brand and do you want to stand out? This is real true authenticity. So a good starting point is to start with your core values. Be really absolutely clear who you are. What are your values? What are your beliefs? This is the foundation of anything you say. And whatever your message is you're putting out on social media, online, in articles, whatever content marketing form you do, you think about, is that in alignment with your core values? And if it is, then you publish it. You are your own measurement. You decide for yourself what is in alignment with what you want to put out there. You don't think so much to adjust your opinion to please other people. Other people, if they don't like it, they can go to hell. This is where you want to come from. And if you can combine true authenticity and kindness, this is what we call charismatic. This is someone who has such a strong inner belief set, who has strength, authority, and who is kind. These are core values that people perceive as charismatic. So if you can combine kindness, in a sense, what I mean by that, not fake kindness, I'm talking about real kindness, that you generally want to help people, you want to help people achieve something. It comes from your heart. Only if it comes from your true heart, then it's real kindness. You don't hide the knife behind the smile. You truly care about something. If you can combine those two values, then you can be truly charismatic and your message can really stand out. People will resonate with it. It will make them feel, if they watch you on video, it creates emotions, and people feel this is a real authentic brand. And this is how you can succeed on social media. You cannot succeed if you try to play a persona, if you try to be fake, if you try to fake it and smile and do whatever. It can't work. It will not ever. People see right through it. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about authenticity? Do you agree with my opinion? Do you disagree? Do you think I'm authentic? Do you think I'm full of crap? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to get more updates via email. See you soon.